So this is the wiring on the passenger side. You see it comes up. Got little random jumpers sticking off of it. I don't know why he extended it there like that. Go to the other side. Different story. Just some random wire laying there. These ones just randomly twisted together. No caps or tape or anything on them, or butt connectors. You can see he did tape this, but we have a random wire here. These connectors, another connector, and then these joints that I keep finding all over the vehicle. There's another one that was arcing against the fuel tank. And here, see, we got these random wires. Another beautiful splice with this tail. This one, somebody did put some tape on. But I pulled out several burned off wires and wires that were melted together to other wires that were causing back and forth arcing. I added a resistor because he had removed it, or she or he or whoever worked on the wiring, I don't know. Plus I put a fuse in because they removed all the fuses and hardwired everything, and I think that's part of why stuff burned. And here's some more connectors. See, it's just weird the way they stripped it in the center. And then splice here is, it looks like, I think it's got solder on it. Yeah, this one's been soldered. But it looks like they kind of taped it. This is why it's just been taking me so long to get the electrical work on this. I mean, I got one signal working now. I had to replace the wires, and the socket was bad too. The ends, a little. It's kind of weird. It's if you look at them, the way they did it, they just kind of put a ball of solder on a bare wire and taped it. So I haven't obviously done this side yet, but we did this side. But I have to, from what I can tell, get a new turn signal switch because the brake lights don't work, and it seems to be faulty up in here. So I'll pull the steering wheel, see if I can fix it, but if not, I'll just get a new switch. It's not very expensive.